Are attic fans worth it? There's a much better solution for adding ventilation to your roof.
Hi, we just did a new GAF Timberline HDZ roof, and as you can see, additional vents are really working well. I prefer the external bracketed wind turbines. It just keeps them in shape and keep them from getting damaged. And there used to be nothing on the top of this. Then look at how much heat's escaping, and it's not even a windy day.
Another way to add ventilation to your roof is with GAF Cobra rigid vents. These special vents are installed at the ridges of the roof along with ridge cap shingles. This system allows for hot air to escape your attic efficiently. If you're a homeowner in the Woodlands or Northwest Houston area, schedule a professional roof inspection today for an honest opinion on your roof's condition.